Hey guys, Hash here from Hashtag and welcome back to my new video on OnePlus 8. OnePlus tried to launch a OnePlus 8 series on March 23rd, but the launch event is postponed to April 15th. According to new reports from online, the device could be getting massive curved heads display and also come with a 120Hz refresh rate display similar to Samsung Galaxy S20 and Oppo Find X2. Surprisingly, today a photo of Hollywood actor Robert Downey Jr. holding OnePlus 8 smartphone was leaked, which clearly shows the vertically aligned camera module. However, the similar image is spotted previously in February 2020. OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus 8 powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC. Moreover, the series come with a 5G network and confirmed by the OnePlus CEO a few days before. However, the price of the new OnePlus smartphone will increase due to the 5G. On the other hand, OnePlus 8 Pro will have a 4500 mAh battery that supports 50-watt normal charger. Additionally, provide a new 30-watt wireless charging as well as reverse charging, and it was the first time OnePlus included this option on the smartphone. OnePlus includes 4 rear camera on OnePlus 8 Pro, which consists of primary camera of 64 megapixel camera, an ultra wide angle shooter, a telephoto camera, and with 3x optical zoom, a normal 3D sensor, and however the light version may include only 3 rear camera. So let me know your thoughts about the OnePlus 8 Pro in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure subscribe to this channel for more updates about the OnePlus device. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Namaskar from Hashtag.